Tesla Model 3 USB-C ports can fail due to several reasons. First, blown fuses protect each port but can cut power or data if overloaded. Overheating from high usage causes failures. Loose connections worsen in extreme temperatures. Software glitches disrupt functionality. Physical damage affects transfer. High usage or temperatures aggravate these issues. This video helps diagnose and fix them. The easiest fix for USB-C port issues in your Tesla Model 3 is often checking for a blown fuse. These ports are protected by fuses, typically 5/8 or 10/8, that prevent damage from overloads. Fuses are located in the fuse box, either under the hood or in the dashboard. Consult your owner's manual to locate the specific USB-C fuse for your model. To check if a fuse is blown, visually inspect it for a broken filament inside the glass or plastic casing. If the filament is intact, the fuse is good. If it's broken, the fuse needs replacement. When replacing a fuse, always use one with the same amperage rating. The color code chart helps identify the correct fuse. For example, 5A fuses are often amber, while 10A's are red. For a more precise test, use a multimeter set to continuity or low resistance mode. Touch the probes to both ends of the fuse. If it beeps or shows low resistance, the fuse is good. No continuity means it's blown. Blown fuses are a common issue, especially after overloading the USB-C ports with high-power devices. Always match the amperage and consult a professional if you're unsure about any step. Sometimes a simple software glitch can cause USB-C port issues. Rebooting your Tesla's computer can often resolve these. First method, hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the touchscreen goes black and the Tesla logo appears. Alternatively, try disconnecting the 12 volts battery for about 10 minutes, then reconnecting it. This performs a hard reset and can clear up software-related malfunctions affecting the USB-C ports. After resetting, check if the ports are working. USB-C ports in your Tesla Model 3 serve two main purposes: delivering power to charge devices and transferring data for features like CarPlay or Android Auto. To troubleshoot effectively, we need to determine if the problem is with power delivery or data transfer. Start by trying different devices and cables. Connect various USB-C compatible devices like a phone, tablet, or external drive using different cables. This helps isolate whether the issue is specific to one device or cable, or affects the port itself. If a device isn't charging but data transfer like CarPlay works fine, the problem is likely with the power supply. This could mean a blown fuse in the vehicle's electrical system or an issue with the power circuitry in the port. Conversely, if charging works but data transfer doesn't function, the issue is likely with the data circuitry. This could be caused by firmware glitches, loose connections, or problems with the data pathways in the USB-C port. If neither charging nor data transfer works, this indicates a more serious problem like a blown fuse protecting the port or complete failure of the USB-C port itself. In this case, professional diagnosis at a Tesla service center is usually required. Physical inspection is crucial for identifying visible issues with your Tesla Model 3 USB-C ports. Start by carefully examining the ports for any physical damage like bent pins or corrosion. Use a flashlight if needed to get a clear view inside the port. Look closely for debris, dirt, or residue that might be blocking the connection. A flashlight will help illuminate the inside of the port for better visibility. Check the pins inside the port. They should be straight and free of corrosion. Bent or damaged pins can prevent proper connection. Test for loose connections by gently wiggling any cables plugged into the ports. If the connection feels unstable, the port may need repair. If you find any damage or loose connections, stop using the port immediately. Continuing to use a damaged port can cause further electrical problems or even shorts. Tesla regularly releases software updates that include diagnostic tools specifically for USB-C ports. For example, version 2025.12 added self-test capabilities accessible through the vehicle's touchscreen. To access these tools, go to the touchscreen menu, Controls, then Service, and select Diagnostics. This brings up the USB port testing interface. Once in Diagnostics, run the USB port self-test. This will check each port for power delivery, data transfer, and overall functionality. The diagnostic tools can recalibrate voltage regulators to fix power issues or identify hardware problems requiring service. Regularly updating your Tesla's software ensures optimal USB-C port performance and addresses any bugs. If you've tried the basic troubleshooting steps like checking fuses, performing software resets, and inspecting for physical damage, but your Tesla Model 3 USB-C ports still aren't working, it's time to seek professional help at a Tesla service center. Hardware replacements may be necessary, particularly if the ports are overheating, showing signs of severe damage, or experiencing persistent failures that software updates can't resolve. Tesla's certified technicians have specialized diagnostic tools and expertise to handle complex electrical issues. Many repairs and replacements are covered under Tesla's warranty, especially for manufacturing defects or issues identified through recalls. However, attempting to disassemble or repair the ports yourself could void your warranty and potentially cause dangerous electrical damage to your vehicle. Preventative measures can help keep your Tesla Model 3 USB-C ports functioning properly and prevent future issues. To prevent future issues, avoid overloading the USB-C ports with multiple devices simultaneously. Each port has limits on power and data throughput. Always use high-quality cables and avoid cheap adapters. Low-quality components can cause connection issues or damage the ports over time. Be mindful of extreme temperatures, especially in hot climates. Consider using a sunshade to keep the interior cool and prevent heat damage to ports. Regularly clean the ports with compressed air to remove dust and debris. This prevents buildup that can interfere with connections. Tesla's app may notify you of potential port failures based on usage patterns. Pay attention to those alerts and consider using a USB hub for multiple devices. By following these preventative measures, you can keep your USB-C ports healthy and minimize future problems.